जो आज हम लोग खेला एक चैरिटी मैच था, तो हम लोग एक्ट एसोसिएशन फॉर कंजर्वेशन एंड टूरिज्म एनजीओ को आज का मैच से 2.5 लाख हम लोग हैंड ओवर कर रहे हैं आज का. सो थैंक्स टू मैरी कॉम एंड धनराज पिल्लई जी फॉर कमिंग एंड डूइंग दिस फॉर अस, and we've collected 2.5 lakh. We're gonna hand over to Raj Basuji ACTCO. So this was all about charity. Play for Tista का जो एक charity match था, and Mary Kam and Dhanraj is just here to play that. So thank you, and you can ask them.
It is very, honor to be a part of this charity play for Tista. So it's a charity only. So we are here to support of this charity. I'm so happy to Bhaichung Bhai for inviting me for this match, as well as even Bhai also coming, Dhanraj Bhai also coming. So we have play. It's a part of fun game. So we do enjoy it.
बहुत अच्छा लगा. सबसे पहले तो भाईचुंग भाई को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Play for Tista charity match. It was one of the good to see that all the old players from Bhaichung's club and all, and young children also came and they played. So it is a very good charity match, and I am really happy that Mary Com and Bhaichung Bhai has invited me, and some of the senior boys are there, Manjeet and all. So happy.